Turkey's aerospace industry has once again captured global attention after defense technology company Baykar officially acquired Piaggio Aerospace and began developing the legendary Piaggio P.180 Avanti EVO turboprop business jet. This strategic move marks a new chapter in Turkey's ambition to become a major force in the global aviation industry. Assembly begins with the fabrication stage of the aircraft's main structure. At this stage, the fuselage, or body, is manufactured using lightweight, composite materials and aerospace-grade aluminum. These materials are chosen for their combination of high strength and light weight. Inside the production facility, fuselage panels are cut using high-tech computer numerical control, CNC machines. These machines operate automatically based on three-dimensional digital designs created by engineers. CNC technology allows each component to be manufactured with identical dimensions and extreme accuracy. After the cutting process is complete, the fuselage structural parts begin to be assembled. In large assembly jigs are special support frames that maintain precise component positions during the assembly process. Technicians then install thousands of rivets, the main fasteners of the fuselage structure. The internal wing structure is reinforced with high-strength aluminum spars that can withstand the enormous stresses of aircraft maneuvers. Wing assembly is carried out using precision cranes and digital sensor systems. The engineering team inspects every joint using ultrasonic inspection technology to ensure there are no micro defects in the metal structure or composite materials. The fuselage structure. The internal wing structure is reinforced with high-strength aluminum spars that can withstand the enormous stresses of aircraft maneuvers. Wing assembly is carried out using precision cranes and digital sensor systems. The engineering team inspects every joint using ultrasonic inspection technology to ensure there are no micro defects in the metal structure or composite. The wiring process is one of the most complex tasks in modern aircraft assembly. Every cable must be labeled and individually tested to ensure there are no electrical faults or connection errors. Even a small error can cause serious disruption to the avionics system. In the cockpit, the installation of modern avionics is a major focus. The Avanti EVO features a sophisticated digital panel based on a glass cockpit that allows pilots to access all flight information through a high-resolution multifunction display. This avionics technology includes a modern autopilot, satellite, navigation system, digital weather radar, and enhanced vision system, EVS. The EVS system uses infrared cameras and visual sensors to help pilots see the runway and surrounding environment in poor weather or at night. The entire avionics system is tested using a digital simulator before the aircraft is actually launched. Technicians check the flight software to ensure all communication and navigation systems are working properly. Interior-wise, the Avanti EVO cabin is designed to provide premium comfort for business passengers. The interior installation process is carried out separately in a dedicated area resembling a luxury workshop. The cabin panels are assembled using lightweight materials with advanced sound dampening. One of the Avanti EVO's advantages is its significantly lower noise level than conventional turboprops. This is achieved through aerodynamic design and a modern acoustic insulation system. Passenger seats are modularly installed, allowing the cabin configuration to be tailored to customer needs. Some operators opt for a VIP configuration with exclusive seats and work desks, while others convert the cabin into an air ambulance or medevac. The P.180 Avanti EVO is known as one of the fastest and most unique turboprop aircraft in the world. Its futuristic design has earned it the nickname Ferrari of the skies. Following its acquisition by Baykar, production and development of the aircraft are projected to increase significantly, while also integrating new technologies from the Turkish defense industry. Baykar's acquisition of Piaggio Aerospace is a significant step in expanding Turkey's influence in the European aviation sector. The Italian government approved the sale of the company to Baykar in late 2024 after experienced years of financial difficulties. Baykar is considered to have a long-term industrial vision to revive the legendary Italian company. The P.180 Avanti EVO itself is a business-class turboprop aircraft with a very different configuration than other conventional aircraft. While most aircraft have engines in front of the wings, the Avanti EVO uses a pusher engine configuration, with the propellers located behind the engines. This design results in lower cabin noise levels and improved aerodynamic efficiency. Another unique feature is the use of 3 lifting surfaces. This aircraft has a main wing, a rear stabilizer, and a winglet at the front, which at first glance resembles a canard. This configuration helps reduce air resistance, allowing the aircraft to fly faster and consume less fuel than business jets in its class. In terms of flight performance, The Avanti EVO is capable of speeds exceeding 740 kilometers per hour and reaching altitudes of up to 41,000 feet. This speed brings it close to the performance of a light jet, but with significantly lower operating costs. The aircraft is powered by two Pratt & Whitney PT6 A66B engines, renowned for their reliability and fuel efficiency. One of the Avanti EVO's main advantages is its fuel efficiency. Compared to traditional business jets, this aircraft is claimed to achieve fuel savings of up to 40%. This efficiency is a key selling point amid growing global concern about the aviation industry's operating costs and carbon emissions. Baykar has not only retained the Avanti EVO's classic design, but has also begun integrating various advanced technologies. One of these is the Enhanced Vision System (EVS), which uses high-resolution digital cameras and infrared sensors. This technology helps pilots see nighttime conditions or bad weather more clearly through the multifunction display in the cockpit. EVS technology is a crucial feature because it improves flight safety, especially when the aircraft is operating. In low visibility conditions, the system allows pilots to obtain a real-time overview of the situation, thereby minimizing the risk of accidents. In addition to the night vision system, the latest developments in the Avanti EVO also focus on the use of modern avionics based on artificial intelligence. Several reports indicate that Turkish and Italian engineers are collaborating to develop an AI-assisted navigation system and automatic flight technology for this new generation of aircraft.Turkish is also reportedly exploring propulsion technology for future Avanti developments. This technology aims to reduce fuel consumption and carbon emissions. If successfully implemented, the next generation Avanti could become one of the most advanced, environmentally friendly business aircraft in the world. Another advantage of the P.180 Avanti EVO is its versatility. This aircraft is not only used as a VIP executive transport but can also be configured as an air ambulance or medevac. This is evidenced by the recent order from a Turkish company that will operate the Avanti EVO for shuttle and air ambulance services. This multi-role configuration, it is particularly attractive to regional airline operators because it allows a single platform to be used for a variety of purposes. The Avanti EVO's cabin is also known for its spaciousness and comfort. With lower noise levels compared to conventional turboprops, Baykar itself is a company that has achieved global success with its Bayraktar, TB2, and Akonki combat drones. This success has made many optimistic that the company can revive Piaggio Aerospace's glory days. Some analysts even believe that the collaboration between Italian and Turkish technology could create a new generation of business aircraft that is more efficient, modern, and competitive in the global market. In addition to focusing on technology development, Baykar also plans to increase Piaggio Aerospace's production capacity. Previously, the company could only produce a few units per year, but the new target is to reach dozens of aircraft annually. This increased production is expected to create new jobs and strengthen Turkey's position in the international aviation industry supply chain. Turkey's entry into the business aircraft industry also demonstrates Ankara''s ambition to reduce its dependence on foreign technology. Over the past few years, Turkey has been aggressively developing its national defense and aerospace industry, ranging from drones and helicopters to fifth-generation fighter jets and satellites. Now, with the arrival of the P.180 Avanti EVO under Baykar's control, Turkey is not only playing in the military market, but also entering the premium civil aviation sector. This strategy opens up significant opportunities for Turkey to compete with global business aircraft manufacturers such as Beechcraft, Pilatus, and Embraer. The arrival of the new generation Avanti EVO is also predicted to attract interest from markets in Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. The combination of high speed, fuel efficiency, advanced technology, and low operating costs makes this aircraft highly competitive for both regional and business aviation. With Baykar's full support and the integration of modern technology, the future of the P.180 Avanti EVO looks increasingly bright. This unique aircraft is not only a symbol of Italian aerodynamic innovation, but also represents the rise of the Turkish aerospace industry on the global stage.